2075, megacities pierce the sky. Steel and glass giants, a testament to human ingenuity, but below, a chilling absence. Gone are the whispers of wind through leaves, the gurgling of streams, replaced by the hum of advanced technology, the air sterile, filtered, dead, the sun a distant memory, obscured by layers of urban sprawl. This is progress at what cost? We traded birdsong for the digital symphony of data streams, the scent of pine for the sterile tang of ozone, our concrete playgrounds devoid of life, no rustling leaves, no scurrying creatures, just the echo of our own footsteps. We built a world of efficiency, speed and convenience, but in the process, we silenced the planet's heartbeat, our own legacy, a desolate monument to progress. Deep within the city's steel veins, a hidden archive, a digital graveyard of forgotten memories, a flicker of green in a monochrome world. Here the past comes alive. Data streams weave a tapestry of sound and color, the roar of waterfalls, the whisper of wind through grasslands. Once these were real, now just echoes in the digital ether, a haunting reminder of what we've lost and what we can never truly recreate. But even in this digital desert, a seed of hope. For within these memories lies a spark, a longing for a connection lost, the archive, a reminder of the beauty we sacrificed, the symphony we silenced, a call to action whispered through the hiss of data streams. Perhaps it's not too late to remember, to learn, to rebuild. The echoes of tomorrow may yet lead us back to the embrace of nature.